Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. Here is another very important product being imported by the German market, and that's to do with vehicles. Both vehicles moving on road, on rail, by air, different kind of vehicles and parts. And it accounts for $153 billion. $153 billion. Shift among the import of moving motor vehicles or vehicles in general, transport vehicles in Germany is cars, 44.3. Even though, you know, sometimes I talk about the fact that a country produce an item does not mean the country will not import that item. The only difference is that they will import maybe another variant, sometimes another brand, sometimes another level of quality, another types. So in this case now, Germany is spending about $75 or $70 billion to import cars, even though they produce cars. From Volkswagen to Mercedes-Benz, they produce different kind of cars, but they still import other luxury cars from other parts of the world. 44.3% of the $153 billion is for cars import into Germany. Next to this is the parts and accessories. The parts and accessories of motor vehicles, from the engine to the windshield to the door to the exhaust to the seat to the battery to different kind of parts of motor vehicles. 23% of the $153 billion is used for import of motor vehicles parts in Germany. Next to this is delivery trucks. Germans also import a lot of delivery trucks, probably produce themselves. Delivery truck import is 5.1%. That's just about $7 billion. 5.1%. Bi-wheel vehicle part, 2.74%. That would be like bicycles or motorcycles, 2.74%, motorcycle and cycles, 2.43%, tractors, 2.21%, plane and helicopters and spacecraft, 2.15%, plane and helicopter and spacecraft, 2.15%, aircraft, the parts of aircraft, about 4.81%, which amount to about $5 to $6 billion. is being used to import aircraft parts into Germany. Trailers and semi-trailers, non-mechanically propelled vehicles, 2.14%. Passenger cargo ship, 1.47%. Locomotive parts, 1.05%. Buses, 0.73%. Bicycle delivery and tricycles, 0.84%. A total of 1.53 billion dollars is being used to import different kind of motor vehicles into Germany, different kind of vehicle rather into Germany.